Hey guys, Dr. Joseph here. Today we're using the Y-strap. This is really good for upper cervical problems, a lot of people have headaches, but also really good for decompression of the low back, for instance like a hernia, or some people have facet syndrome, something going on like that. Today we're going to be adjusting Troy. Lift your head up for me, Troy. Just relax. Good. Just relax, Troy. Perfect. Just going to take this to tension. Beautiful. Wonderful. Just breathe for me, Troy. Woo. What's that?
That was really good.